Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the Apple Watch bracelet for Series 6. Actually, it came up with the Series 6 time, but it could be for Series 5 or 4 or Series even 7, that will appear soon. Because you have just two sizes in Apple Watch, 40 and 44. This is sport bracelet, this is midnight blue mixed with black. And this is the color that I chose that I like, because it's work with my outfit. Guys, the reason why I ordered the sport one, to be honest with you guys, as you see this one, it's gold. This is stainless steel Apple Watch Series 6 gold. First of all, it's scratching the hair of my hand by a stupid way. I don't know why. Guys, it's bothering as hell. Every time it's scratching my hair on my hand and make me want to beat her like this, let all her tongue out. And plus that in gym, it's not comfortable. To be honest with you, in gym it's so much bothering. You need sport one. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what is inside. But before we go any further, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now and let me reach the 1 million subscribers. With you, baby, with you I'm gonna reach. Okay guys, as you see here, the right designed by Apple California. Apple Midnight Blue, Sport Loop, Hook and Loop. I have feeling that this is boxing gloves, Okay, let's unbox this bad boy. Let's see what we have. Okay, as usual, the bracelet, how to make it, how to not make it, document here, and the baby. Oh guys, really, wow, material is so soft, see? Let's try it right now. What are you waiting for? Christmas? Okay, see guys, here you have black, okay? Beautiful. But when you grab, it will appear the blue. You understand me? Let me wear it. Actually, I wear it wrong. It should be. See? It's black and blue. It's amazing, So if I wear it black with blue, it's walk. If I wear it blue clothes, it will be. If I wear it black, it will be. See? This is the best color for me. Guys, the other colors, I didn't like them, to be honest with you. This is nice and now soft. It will not bother my hair. It will not grab, not like this one. This one, honestly, is catching the hair of my hand so much. So, this bracelet is amazing. By the way, you can subscribe my other channel, HRUSHEVSKOHO, baby. As you see guys, it's beautiful and it's material really so soft, and it will make you feel that you're not even wearing a watch. Do you want tea? Yeah.
What was that?
To be honest with you guys, I hate Apple. Let's be honest. I never lie in my channel, MacBook Pro, this is garbage. My brother bought the latest update. It's cost him $8,000. 6 TB hard disk, VGA 8 GB, baby. In the end, he download Call of Duty Modern Warfare and he make ultra high resolution. The game lagging, it's become green screen, couldn't play Call of Duty high resolution. So laptop cost $8,000 and he's not playing game, one game. With $6,000 you can customize the best Alienware ever and play all games that you can imagine. Like iPad Pro, guys, I bought iPad Pro 2020, 12 inch, 1 tera, 6 GB RAM, everything. And when I play Call of Duty Mobile, guys, what's the problem that I face with the iPad? When I play Call of Duty Mobile, the heat become more, it got hot. And then the screen brightness turn off, it's become black. Here this stupid comes behind me. Here, see guys, I do for him fan. I create fan. You know why? It's become hot and then the screen brightness go down. What's the problem here with the screen brightness going down? I cannot see the players anymore and I can get killed from players that they are far away. This is so fucking stupid from iPad Pro. I wish to sue this stupid company. What all this cooling system that you pretend that is inside and blah blah blah. And why you do screen brightness more or less? I don't care, get hot or even destroy. Let me finish the game. So when I do fan, when I did fan from behind, it's not do this anymore. I mean, this is so stupid, to be honest with you guys. About iPhone, I don't want to talk. Full of lagging issues. I mean, honestly, let's be honest. Until only iPhone 11 Pro Max have the best screen brightness and camera in all smartphone ever. Let's be honest. iPhone 12, this is the most stupidness iPhone from all. How screens become gray, cameras dark. You know, go compare them by yourself. If you know, hold iPhone 11 Pro Max and 12 Pro Max and open screen brightness, open message, see screen white and brightness here and here. Here is gray. And take photo by camera by yourself and see which one is better. And you're gonna see 11 Pro Max is the only nice phone from all, and he has the best brightness and camera. Other phones is garbage, except this. So anyway, this is the only nice benefits in iPhone. Otherwise, honestly, Samsung Note 20 Ultra has options until you omit from omit options. You know, no. I mean, to be honest with you, Samsung is way better by all way. You can set ringtone in iPhone, everything with money, everything. You need to be Cristiano Ronaldo. Arcade game, Apple Games, Apple Music, Apple Sports, Sport Plus, everything you have to pay. iCloud, storage, pay. You are tapped for water that not finished with iPhone. And by the way, let me tell you something. All applications that you find in Apple with money, in Samsung for free, in Android. Even if it's Samsung with money, you found it $5 per year, here $50 per year. iPhone, you know why? Because American government used to push for American people, everything double. Bills, tax, everything. So Apple is what? Apple pushing for American people with government together, you got me? So that's why they used to everything with money, no mercy. This in America. Taxes and bills and pushing, you know, day and night for American people. American citizen, I feel so pity for it. He worked day and night for fitting the abdomen and the mouses for government people. This is what American citizen doing in his life. And anyway, my point is the only two things in iPhone 11 Pro Max is camera and screen brightness. Except this camera is so the screen is so juicy in iPhone. Except this, honestly, it's trash, software trash, everything. Now you're gonna ask me, so what do you like in Apple? Watch. To be honest with you, the most successful thing from Apple is the watch. Yeah, it doesn't have internet. This is stupidness because sometimes I do need it. I cannot open music from here or I cannot open anything. I wanna hear from here. It's not your business. Open it, this option, and as I wish, like Samsung Watch for example. But let's be honest, it's solidary, finishing is nice, it looks beautiful. Not as the other products. To be honest with you guys, it's not. I better go to Samsung. I better do something else. To be honest with you guys, generally, Apple Watch is the only perfect thing from Apple, and it has no issues almost. Okay, the others, the failure company. Anyway, guys, I want to just share with you my opinion about the bracelet. It's really cool and nice finishing, and looks so comfortable. You guys, anyway, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up and open the bell so you can get all notifications from my new videos, because every time I'm gonna bring something new, something old, something unique, something stupid, I'm gonna spread them here in front of you and tell you everything. So love you all and see you in another video. Peace and love and money for all of you.